Hey, this is Shiraz, and before we get started, I just want to let you know that when I clear something for someone, when I cause a shift, I tend to yawn and cough from the energetic shift that happens. I don't know why it happens. It's just how my body works. And if you don't know that, you're going to listen to this video and go, what the hell is wrong with this guy? You might still think that, but now there's more of an explanation. The other thing to keep in mind is that if you hear something that you can absolutely relate to, when I cleared for them, you can get it cleared for you too. Just say yes when they're saying yes, and it works. I have people that watch these videos every morning to get stuff cleared. This can be your new morning habit too. Okay, that's enough for that. Let's get on with the video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you get a great shift out of it. See you soon.
I failed grade 6. I never got clarity whether I failed on my own because I was not that good of a student and I was really stressed out in school. And I've had digestive issues. I failed grade 6. I had to repeat grade 6 in the next September when I went back to school. The first 60 minutes of school every day, I had lost control of my bowels and I had to go to the washroom. And I've had that since grade 6. It still hasn't resolved itself.
Okay, so what's the worry you've got here?
For 20 years, I never got the answer to whether I failed or my parents decided to keep me back because I was struggling in school so much. So I was told when I went to school, the last day of the school year in grade 6, that I passed. I came home and then my mom told me I failed, and that seriously crushed my spirit, messed up my energy, obviously.
Okay. It's interesting. Why is this so important to know at this point in your life?
Now it doesn't matter, obviously, but I don't have control of my bowels for 30 freaking years.
Okay. Are you not allowed to have control until you solve that issue, until you figure out what's happening?
I did get the answer 20 years later, but the bowel issue's still here. Yes, and I'm open to solving the issue for sure.
Do you have to hold on to the issue because you didn't get that answer for so long?
No.
That's not coming up true. So are you willing to step out of the story that you have to hold on to the bowel issue because you didn't solve that problem for so long?
Yes. It's interesting. Like, I just felt like an energy change in my bowels as we did.
Okay. Are you trying to hold on to that issue as punishment to your parents?
I wanted to say no.
That's not coming up true.
I knew you were going to say that, damn it.
Yeah. So are you willing to step out of the story that you have to hold on to the issue as punishment for your parents?
Yes.
Ow. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, how's that feel?
Better. My bowels feel a little different.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a like, and if you had a shift of your own, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Also, check out the description for energetic magic events that you can attend every single month. Be well, be aware, and be magical.